now some more outsiders arrive on the scene, and the elephants may not be so easily driven away. Here comes the herd bull with something more on his mind than a social call. Elephants are used to having their own way, and this one, with the herd in his charge, obviously doesn't want lions in the vicinity. This time, the lions choose discretion and a dignified withdrawal. Indeed, if there's one species to whom the king of beasts might concede his royal prerogatives, it's the African elephant. In this primitive pageant, these giants loom largest of all.
Danger is never far away. Elephants actively seek out the only predator that kills their calves. Revenge is sweet, and cubs are an easy target. The lioness is powerless to reach her cubs, so now they're on their own. Their first instinct is to hide. But even an adult lion needs to know when to run. Their mother attempts a rescue, but again the elephants drive a wedge between her and her cubs. Faced by overwhelming force, her only choice is retreat. If she was wounded, her cubs would die. It's best she hides and finds them later.
Back at the Pride, the lionesses have a rude awakening. The bull elephant has decided to throw his weight in their direction. He's not showing signs of aggression yet, but he's uncomfortably close. And obscured behind the bush, the lions may not know till it's too late if he charges. Best to give him a wide berth and take the cubs too. The lions aren't happy about being moved on, but every cloud has a silver.
Elephant calf wanders alone. Born only a few weeks previously, he's been abandoned by his herd. Newborn elephants are prone to attack, and sensing danger, his mother and concerned aunts try to push the calf to its feet. But he just wasn't strong enough. His family stuck with him at first, but eventually had no choice but to leave him and let nature take its course. He survived the first days alone, but unprotected, he faces grave danger. The Pride has picked up his scent. But the baby gets a lucky break. A bull elephant crashes onto the scene, stalling the lion's attack. They wait to see what will happen next. The orphan remains at risk. Will a bull elephant, an unpredictable loner, tolerate a calf? They seem to form an unlikely alliance.
If lions have to hunt in daylight, there's no better location for an ambush than a waterhole. Elephants will not tolerate lions near them, so if a family group is drinking, the baboons feel safe to come down to the water.
But their chance may never come. This is one contest the male can't win. For cubs of this age, this was the last event witnessed by Boulder Cam. It was to return when the cubs were older.
The unpredictable wrath of this bull elephant takes the lions by surprise. There is no point contesting the matter, and the Pride moves on to find a more hospitable place.
The marsh attracts a whole variety of animals during the heat of the day, making the most of a constant supply of food and water, including big herds of elephants. Inevitably, they stumble into our lions, who, despite their reputation, they're not about to argue. Elephants simply won't tolerate lions, especially when they've youngsters to protect.
That's a serious charge.
Even old Scar is forced to give way. Not easy on a full stomach.
You don't stop and reason with an angry elephant, that's for sure. Yeah, you don't. So funny, you watch the lions as they're being chased. They stop as soon as they think they're safe. And then almost invariably they yawn. It's great. Absolutely not a problem, no, we're not afraid. We're just moving out because we were going to move anyway. And if the elephants want to move through, that's fine too. They really try to hold dignity, I think. And fail miserably.
Fully grown elephants aren't usually threatened by the carnivores, but their young calves are vulnerable. The secretions from the elephant's temples show she's stressed by the lion's presence. She takes no chances. It's unwise to tangle with a protective 3-ton mother. The bond she has with her calf is one of the strongest and most enduring in the animal kingdom. This calf is only a couple of months old. Unlike young lions, he can rely on his mother to provide everything he needs for many years to come. Fast. Lions may be top of the food chain, but even they are sometimes vulnerable from protective giants. He must venture into enemy territory. Fiercest predator. The growing tension extends beyond the lion pride. Other animals become desperate in the final days of the dry season.
的第一本能就是躲藏，但是即使是一只成年狮子，也需要知道什么时候该逃跑。他们的妈妈试图去救援，但是大象阻挡在他和他的幼崽之间。面对着这压倒性的力量，雌狮的唯一选择就是撤退。如果它受伤了，那么它的幼崽也会死去。最好是它先躲起来，回头再寻找幼崽呢。它的后代也许已经逃离了，